Today marks a significant milestone in the history of our company. We are very pleased to be launching our new brand, which we feel will take our company forward for the next stage in our growth and development. Just a few years ago, we celebrated our 50th anniversary, a testament to the legacy built by our father. It is with great pride and respect for our past that we now look forward to the next 50 years. Our new brand, Hutchinson, embodies our core values of curiosity, collaboration and culture. These values have been the pillars of our success, and they will continue to guide us as we embrace new opportunities and face new challenges. We are in an era of rapid change. New technologies are emerging, and the landscape of transportation and machinery is evolving towards a much cleaner, more sustainable solution. Hutchinson is not a company that will just adapt to this change. We aim to be at the forefront of it. We are committed to fostering positive relationships, not only with our staff and partners, but with the wider community. Together, we can shape the future, driving innovation and redefining what is possible. To our customers, both current and potential, I invite you to embark on this journey with us. We are more than just engineering. We are your partners in collaboration, problem solvers, innovators, and lateral thinkers. We are committed to making your life easier and to providing solutions that exceed your expectations. Our new brand encapsulates this commitment, and we look forward to serving you with renewed passion and purpose. The rebranding of Hutchinson is a symbol of our vision for the future. It represents our determination to adapt, evolve, and lead in a rapidly changing world. We are driven by a shared purpose and a deep desire to make a positive impact. Together, let us create a future that is not only successful, but also sustainable and inclusive. Thank you for being a part of our journey. Stay connected, follow our updates, and join us as we embrace the future together.